go. Good boy. Hey guys, today we're unboxing this cool perch for my parrot, and it came in this huge box. So I'm gonna in a minute cut it open and show you what's inside. Alright, so let's get it open. Alright, it's packed pretty good. A lot of tape, so let's see. I know I couldn't find my regular knife, but I think scissors works just fine. Okay, so with the opening, I do want to mention that the box is has this little cute feathers. It's like a stamps, and it has this logo. I don't know if you can see it right here, which is kind of cute. Alright, well, let's see what's actually inside the box. Let me open that for you. Mr. Yolo is very excited. He wants to see. Ooh, excuse me. Alright, so we got some papers that we'll look in a minute. Got some cool magnet. And then here we go. I just want to show you how well it packaged. If you can see this, I don't know what that is. It's like a piece of the stand, I guess. It taped to the box so it won't roll, and every piece of the construction also packaged, and it has this thing, and this is like a tape for good, so I have to do a lot of work too because it taped for life to the box. So let me untape this thing, and I will show you later all the details. Alright guys, this is how the assembled stand looks like. It looks pretty awesome. So this one is very heavy. I don't know if it's iron, but it's very heavy. So you have a metal stand. Then you have this perch, and this one was a little tricky, but the instruction was pretty good, so I was able to assemble pretty quick. And then this one is wood perch. So as you can see, it's pretty big. This one was for this guy. He's a little bit afraid to perch right now, but I'm gonna let it sit so he will kind of, get used to it, and hopefully he'll get perch on it. So, but it's pretty easy, just 3 pieces, the wood thing, the thing, and actually 4, but a little bit on the pricey side, but the materials I think worth it. So I'll let this guy test it out and see how it goes. So I just want to show you what came in a box. So it came with this magnet. It came this Woodland Parent toys. case you're interested. It said Woodland Parrot is series of artisan parrot toys, blah blah blah. So you can go to this website and check it out. And here's another one. Pretty cool. And this is on the back. I guess it's a book and some stands for you to go to this website and take a look, as well as this. I'm assuming it's a new book, and this is the table of contents that new book has. I like this picture. And some, let's see, some cool, as long as the so that's all the perches in details, potty tray. This is the cool instruction. Pretty cool. And this is more stuff for you to buy. That's all for this video. Hopefully this video helps you if you're considering to buy this kind of perch. And I will see you next time on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.